everyone! Thank you for joining us today for our Avaya J169, J179 tutorial. My name is Megan. I'm the owner here at TCC Telecom, and I am so excited to help you navigate your new phone. Before we dive in, here are all the ways that you can follow us: Facebook, Instagram, our website, and don't forget that down below you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and get started. Just so you know, the J169 and the J179 phones are almost identical. The J169 displays in grayscale, while the J179 displays in full color. You may notice that some of the icons on the screen may vary slightly, but as far as functionality goes, they work exactly the same. Today I'll be using the J179 version for our training video. Let's start out today by going over the layout of the phone buttons. First up are these 4 black buttons along the bottom of the screen on your phone. These are called soft keys, and their function will change depending on the state of your phone. Moving down, you'll see you have 4 gray buttons in the middle of the phone. This is your menu key. Below that is the button to bring up your contacts list. This button, with the phone icon, will always bring you back to the main screen of your phone. And below that is your message button, which you will use if your phone is set up for voicemail. Finally, let's look at the buttons on the bottom of your phone. Here you have your speaker button, which when pressed gives you automatic dial tone. This is your headset button. Over here on the left-hand side of the phone, you have your call log button. You have several options in your call log: all calls, missed calls, incoming calls, and outgoing calls. Finally, along the bottom are your volume-related buttons: volume up, volume down, and the mute button. Now, let's talk about how to answer a call. When you have an incoming call, you will see a solid red and flashing green light here. Your message indicator light will also be flashing red. And depending on how your system is set up, it may also be accompanied by an audible ringing. You'll notice that your soft keys have also changed to answer, to voicemail, ignore, and drop. If you'd like to answer the call, you have several options. To answer using the handset, simply pick it up. If you'd like to answer hands-free, press the answer soft key or the speaker button down below. If you're utilizing a headset, press the headset button. Choosing to voicemail will send the caller directly into your voicemail box. Ignore will quiet any audible ringing, but the visual alerts will continue. Drop will also send a caller straight to your voicemail. However you choose to answer a call, you will notice that the line appearance changes and that the soft keys at the bottom of the screen have changed for call handling options. If you are on the phone and you have another call come in, you will see it show up on the next call appearance line. To answer, you may simply press the button, which then puts the existing call on hold. If you'd like to send the call to voicemail, scroll down and highlight it and choose the to voicemail soft key. Let's look at how to make a call. To make a call, you can simply pick up the handset and begin dialing the intended party's number. Please note that your system may require you to dial a prefix number, such as 9, before you can dial out. Alternatively, you can press the speaker button to obtain automatic dial tone and then dial the phone number. To call a person from your contacts list, first start by pressing the contacts key. Use the cursor to select the type of directory entries you would like to display. Scroll up or down through the list and highlight the name you would like to call. You can press the Details button to obtain more information, and to return to the directory, press List. When ready, hit the Call button. You can also make calls from your call log. Begin by pressing the Call log button near the bottom. Use the cursor to scroll and select which type of calls are shown. Then scroll up and down through the list until the number you would like to call is highlighted. Remember, you can press Details to obtain more information or Call to send the call through. If you would like to redial a previous number, press the Redial button soft key. Scroll through your more recent outgoing calls, and once you have the number selected, press Call. When you're ready to end a call, you'll have several options. The drop soft key can be used to end a call whether you are using the handset, a headset, or you are on speakerphone. If your call is on speaker, simply press the speaker button again. If you are utilizing a headset, press the headset button. Or if you're using the handset, simply place it back into the cradle. To place your current call on hold, simply press the Hold soft key. You'll notice that you now have a fast flashing green indicator light and that the icon on the screen has changed as well to indicate a call on hold. If you're ready to take the call off hold, simply press the flashing green light and notice the change of icon on the phone screen. Now that we've talked about holding a call, let's talk about placing a call on park. Park is a universal hold, meaning that when you place a call on park, any other phone on your system, also equipped with park buttons, may pick it up. To place an active call on park, select the park position you would like to use and press the button. Your phone will light up with a slow flashing green light, while other phones on your system will have a slow flashing red light. To retrieve a call off of park, press the flashing button and then press the Connect soft key. There are two ways to start a conference call. The first way, if you have an active call and a call on hold, as I do indicated by the fast flashing green light and icon on the screen, is to simply press the conference button. Using the conference button in this way will combine your active call with any calls you may have had on hold. Otherwise, to start a conference call while you are on an active call like I am, press the conference soft key. That puts the original call on hold. Then dial the phone number or extension of the party you would like to join. If the other party answers and would like to join the call, simply hit the conference soft key and everyone will be connected. If there's no answer, or they are simply not interested, press the drop button, and then you can retrieve the original call off of hold. While you are participating in a conference call, you'll see the icon on the screen change. You can press the Details soft key to get more information. You'll be able to scroll through participants, and you'll also have the option to either drop a caller or to mute a caller. Highlight the user and then select the appropriate button. To transfer a call, begin by pressing the Transfer soft key. This puts the current call on hold as indicated by the flashing light. Dial the extension number you would like to transfer the call to. To complete an attended transfer, stay on the line until the call is answered. When you are done, press the Complete soft key and the caller and intended party will be connected. If you'd like to complete an unattended transfer, begin by pressing the Transfer soft key and then dialing the extension number you'd like to transfer the call to. Press the Complete button while the phone is still ringing, and the caller and the end user will be directly connected. If you'd like to transfer a caller directly into someone's voicemail box, begin by pressing the message button in the middle of your phone. Enter the extension number, and when the correct extension number or name is highlighted on your screen, press the Select soft key. An alternative method of transferring a caller into someone's voicemail box is to begin by hitting the message button on the middle of your phone, selecting Directory, and then scrolling up and down through your directory until you find the correct user. When highlighted, press the Select soft key and press the Select soft key again. Your phone may be equipped with a Do Not Disturb or DND button. When selected, the button will light solid green, and you will see this icon at the top of your phone. While your phone is on Do Not Disturb mode, you will still be able to make outgoing calls, but all incoming calls will be diverted directly to voicemail. To turn Do Not Disturb off, simply press the lit button and note that the icon disappears from the top of your screen. Muting a call disables the user on the other end from hearing you, while you are still able to hear them. To activate, simply press the mute button on the bottom of the phone. When it is lit blue, you know mute is turned on. Press the button again to deactivate and the light will turn off. Some phones come programmed with busy lamp fields or user buttons. Oftentimes, these buttons may be on the second or third screen of your phone, so you may have to scroll to find them. Busy lamp fields will allow you to see if a user is on the phone, as indicated by a blinking red light, or if a user has their Do Not Disturb turned on, as indicated by a solid red light. Busy lamp fields can also be used to directly call another user, simply by pressing the button, instead of dialing their extension number. If your phone is set up for voicemail, you'll want to make sure that you take the time to configure it. Begin by dialing *17 from your extension, and when asked to enter your extension number, you may simply press the #sign. When asked for your passcode, press the # again. From there, you will be prompted to create a passcode and to record your name. At that point, anytime someone calls you and they reach your voicemail box, they will hear an automated message play, inserting your recorded name and saying that you are unavailable. If you would like to create a greeting to play instead of just your name, begin by pressing the message button. Enter the passcode that you have previously created and select the Done Soft key. Scroll down until Greeting is highlighted, then choose Select. When you're ready to record, press the Record button, but please note that it begins recording immediately. Record your greeting, and when you are done, press Stop. From here, you may record over your message, listen to what you've recorded, or if you're happy with what you've created, hit the Submit button. If your phone is set up for voicemail and you have a new message, the red message waiting indicator light will be lit up solid red. Select the message button on the middle of your phone. You may be prompted to enter your passcode, but if not, Listen will be the first thing highlighted. Press Select, and you can scroll to look at New, Old, or Saved Messages. When the correct category is highlighted, hit Select again. Here, you may play your message, pause it at any time, then press play again to resume. When your message is done, hit More, and you have the option to delete, save, or copy your message. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're following us on social media, like this video, and subscribe to our channel.